Today I'm gonna show you how I made this logo. So the client brief was something like this. They work with the government, with institutions and organizations. It's a non-profit organization which advocates for animals. They wanted a sophisticated logo and didn't want to be too cute. So this is my whole process. What I first done was to go to Dribbble to find some inspiration. And this is some inspiration that I found online. For example, here I liked this logo. I liked how the negative space was used. Here I like this logo very much. Again, the negative space. The green is a rhino. And in the negative space, you see that is a man that kisses the rhino. Here I liked the unity of this logo, and I found some more logos that I also liked. Here I liked, for example, how the font is used, and instead of the M is an elephant. Yeah, this is the inspiration that I found, and I really liked this logo and wanted to go in the same direction. And what I did after that, I uploaded this logo that I found on the internet, and I prompted to come with a similar logo but with another animal. I didn't want to copy this logo, but I want it to be very similar. And it came with this image, which is a kind of horse, but it has huge nose, let's say. It's not something that I want. Of course, here is the neck of the woman, the girl, and I understood why there is a space there. I imported this image into Illustrator, and after that I tried to refine it. Yeah, you see that I trace it, but I didn't like how this nose, how it look. So what I've done, you see that here I don't have a nose in this image, because what I've done is I took this image, uploaded to Google AI Studio, like you see here, and I asked to refine this image, and what it came with was this. So this Google AI Studio Nano Banana gave it back to me. So then I liked this image more, because its nose disappeared, and I went with this process further. So here you can see that I refined even more the logo. You can see that here I have this hand here, and here I don't have any hand. So I liked more the idea of a hand on the horse to symbolize the connection between human and animals. Here I started to write the organization name just to see how can I integrate the text. I tried a version of this text in a pill shape at the bottom of the logo. I didn't like this, and I went further with this kind of text. I didn't like this one either, and I continued to try even more typefaces. For example, this is Inter. I asked ChatGPT what font should I use. I gave it a brief description, and ChatGPT told me what to avoid: rounded, friendly fonts, because this can be interpreted as too cute; handwritten or script fonts, which are informal, emotional, not evidence-based; and overly decorative serif fonts which feel academic in a dated way. And recommended me humanist sans serif, because they are clean and modern, but have subtle organic shapes. So I tried this one, Source Sans Free, and Inter in the logo. Okay, I tried here to put the logo like in a circle. I didn't like this, and I continue to refine it, actually to try even more font choices. As you can see here, for example, I tried to warp the text inside of the circle of the logo. It seemed a good idea at first, but I give up on it later. And here you can see that I try to put the logo in the left and the text in the right of the logo. Here I found that I can play with the font, with the typeface, so I can create a kind of horse from N and U. If I can show you, this is kind of a horse, yeah. This is what I wanted to do. It seemed a good idea at the moment, but in the end I thought that maybe this is too much for this logo. Then I tried this variant with this typeface that forms a horse and the logo in the left. Here I wanted to put the ampersand in a kind of a box because I wanted to be consistent with the font. Yeah, the font is bold, and the ampersand I wanted to be bold as well, but then I thought maybe ampersand doesn't need to be bold, doesn't need to be so prominent, so I tried another version with only the outline of it. And here I tried to, you can see that the point on the I is missing here because I wanted to be this logo, the point on the I. So this is what I tried here. Didn't like this either, and went with my process further and tried again some more variants with the ampersand in a box and without the box. So at this stage I wanted to be sure that the space is even between letters and between the logo and the words, the kerning, the leading, yeah. And these are almost the final logos, yeah. I introduced some color. These are the colors that the client wanted for their logo, so blues, aquas, and greens. So this is my my final black and white logo, and I wanted to do something like this. Yeah, I tried with brighter blue first, and this is what it looks like. Yeah. So if you look at this, I tried some versions with this brighter blue, but I actually liked more the darker blue because it expressed more authority. And then I tried some more, and the final version was this, yeah. If you look at the whole circle, you can also interpret it as the earth, and it expresses a connection between human and nature and animals. So this is the logo, and this is the text that as a description that I attached. Don't forget to like and subscribe.